Hi, welcome back to Days. Today we are sharing a very healthy soup recipe. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon oil. The flame should be adjusted in medium. To this add 1 large onion chopped, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 large tomato chopped. Fry until the onion and tomatoes are soft. Now add half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon salt and give it a nice mix. Now we have to add 10 tablespoons of lentil or dal. You may use any dal of your choice. Make sure you wash it thoroughly before adding it into it. Now add enough water. Mix well. Place the lid and cook until 2 whistles. Now we have to let this cool down and then grind it into a fine paste. Transfer the paste into a pan. Add in water to get required consistency for the soup. Mix well without any lumps. Now turn on the flame. Bring it to boil. Don't forget to stir occasionally. We have to boil it for 2 minutes. And the last step is adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well and the healthy soup is ready. Let us know if you love this recipe. If you are watching our channel for the first time, we invite you to subscribe. Thank you for watching.